Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make this Arabian delight, Kunafa, made with bread. Normally a Kunafa dough is available to make this dish, but in India it's so difficult to get. But that doesn't stop us from making this, right? So let's see how to make this delicious dish with bread. So here I have taken around 12 bread slices. Add that into a blender and make breadcrumbs. Now into that add around half a cup of melted butter. Add that in batches and slowly start to mix it. You can use your hands to mix it properly. Once that is well combined, keep that aside and let's make a middle layer for the kunafa. Into a bowl, add in half a cup of thick cream, half a cup of grated mozzarella cheese, and around 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated pistachios. You can also use any other chopped nuts. Now mix that really well. Now the filling is also ready. Now take a cake pan and grease it with some butter. Place a butter paper and grease it again. Now add in half of the bread mixture. Spread it evenly and slightly press it. Now let's add the middle layer, that is the cheese and the cream filling. For easy spreading, I'm placing dollops of it everywhere. Now very slowly and gently with the help of a spatula, spread it all over. Don't spread it near the edges or while baking the cheese will melt and get stick to the edges. Now add the rest of the breadcrumbs. Spread it and press it well. Now it's ready. Let's bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. So meanwhile, let's prepare the sugar syrup. Into a pan, add in 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Add in few drops of vanilla essence. You also have to add half a lemon, but I forgot to take the video of it. Now melt the sugar and boil the syrup. You don't need to make this into any string consistencies. You just need the sugar syrup to be sticky. Check it with your fingers. Once it turns sticky, transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Now let's check with our kunafa. It is very well baked. Now let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes and while it is still warm, run a knife through the sides. And flip it onto a plate. Now let's drench this kunafa with sugar syrup. This is the only sugar which we are adding in this dessert, so just pour the entire sugar syrup. Once it is well soaked in the syrup, let's start decorating it with some chopped nuts. Here I've used only pistachios, but you can use almonds, walnuts, cashew nuts, and even desiccated coconut goes very well with this dessert. Now let's cut it and see the layers with the cheese. You can see the melted cheese from this. Oh, it tastes so delicious. Now let's move on to my favorite part, the taste test. The melted cheese and the sugar syrup with the crunchiness of nuts and the butterly baked breadcrumbs. Oh, it's truly a delightful dessert. So definitely try this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.